Okay, quick. For your warm up today, I want you to close your eyes and think of the first word that pops into your head that starts with the letter T. Okay, open your eyes and tell me your word. Mine was turtle. Isn't it funny how our brains all work so differently? Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and do our warm up now. Repeat after me. E-A, eat, E. E-I, vein, A. E-I-G-H, 8A. E-A, steak, A. E-A, bread, E. I-E, peace, E. E-I, ceiling, E. Nice job. And please open up your student notebook to the vowel teams. We are going to do the first 2 rows together. Okay, you ready? You on this page? You should have colored these rows by now. Okay, we'll do those first 2. Repeat after me. A-I, bait, A. A-Y, play, A. E-I-G-H, 8A. E-I, vein, A. E-A, steak, A. E-E-G-B. E-Y, key, E. I-E, piece, E. E-I, ceiling, E. E-A, eat, E. E-A, bread, Eh. Nice job, and don't forget this is here. This is a great resource. Okay, so we are going to work on reading and marking some words. So I will be writing words on my whiteboard. You will read them and then copy them down and mark them. So go get your whiteboard. Okay, here we go. Let's read these words. Train, state, break, 80, street, death. Your job is to copy them on your whiteboard just like me and mark them and label the syllable types. Okay, pause on this screen to write them down and mark them. Okay, you're back. Let's go over it together. What kind of syllable is train? A double vowel. So it's like that. Circle the double vowel name. And what does AI say? A. Okay, what's the next word? Break. What does EA say in this word? A, like steak, and it's a D for double vowel. How about this word? D for double vowel. What does EE say? E, street. Okay, and what did we have over here? Vowel, consonant, E. So it's a long A, and we crossed off the E. Okay, now we have a 2-syllable word. A-T. We have a double vowel, and then we have open. And the Y sounds like a long E in that one. AD. And the last one was another double vowel. What does the EA say in that word? Eh, death. So look at that. We had EA here and it said A, break, and EA here and it said eh, death. Okay, how'd you do marking those? Good. Go ahead and erase the whole board so that it's nice and clean. Okay, and we're going to do another game with your whiteboard. So I'm going to write all of a word on the board except the part that has the long E sound. And on your whiteboard, you don't need to write the whole word. You just need to write the correct sound for the long E. So let me show you an example. Here's the first word, thirsty. So I would write all of the word thirst except for the E part. And you would have to write it on your whiteboard. Thirsty. So what's the correct spelling at the end of thirsty? Okay, what'd you come up with? It's a Y, thirsty. Okay, if at any point you don't know one of these, I want you to pause and look it up in your spelling dictionary. I don't expect you to know them all. Okay, what would this word be if we know it's the long E sound. Indeed. So what should go here? Which one is it? Is it EE? Is it EA? What do you think? It's EE. Indeed, it is. Okay, make sure that you're checking these and filling them in. You're not just waiting for me to do it. Your next word is worry. W-O-R-R, worry. How do you do this E sound? Write it on your whiteboard and hold it up. It's a Y. Remember, when it's at the end of a word, it's usually Y or EY. Not always. Try this one. Brownie. We hear E at the end again. What is it going to be this time for brownie? Show me on your whiteboard. IE. Let's try another one. Predict. I like to predict what the book will be about before I read it. Predict. What's this one? Predict. It's just an E because that's an open syllable. Predict. Okay, let's do a few more. Ah! That was a shriek. Eek. What's it for this E in shriek? It's a tricky one. I had to check it in my dictionary. Do you? IE. Okay, write it on your whiteboard. What is the E sound in chimney? What would that one be? EY. Let's do three more. Okay, we have four directions: north, south, west, and east. So in the word eastern, like we live in eastern Massachusetts, what's the beginning in east? The E. Which one is it? EA. And now you've seen this one before. It is a word of the day. Belief. Belief. E-E-E. What is the E? Pause so you can finish. And it's I-E. All right, guys, one more. I just ate a feast. East. If you knew how to do the direction east, then you also know how to do feast. EA. All right, nice job. A lot of options. That's why you have your spelling dictionary to always check your work, even on tests and during writing time, whenever you need to. Okay, my friends, we are going to end with some dictation on our whiteboard today. Okay, so go ahead and clear off your whiteboard. And of course, you know what I'm going to ask you first. All the ways to do A, the long A sound. Go ahead, get writing. I wonder how many of you are looking in your notebook to help you. How many of you memorized them? Okay, let's go down to the next line. Long E. Do all the ways to do long E. And the last one, jeune. All the ways to do jeune. Okay, you ready to check with me? it out and fix anything that you need to fix. Okay, let's erase it all. And let's do 3 words. So go ahead and number it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the first word, greatly. I am greatly impressed by you. Greatly. A. Which long A is it? Write out all the options and check it. Greatly. Number 2, fierce. She's fierce. And number 3, frown. Turn that frown upside down for ow. Thinking about how to make the ow sound. There's a few options. Which one is it? Right, you ready to check? Greatly, fierce, frown. Fix up anything you need to fix up. And let's erase to do 2 sentences. Repeat after me. Be careful of that breakable vase. Be careful of that breakable vase. Okay, my friends, check it over carefully. Really tap out what you wrote and make sure it looks right and sounds right. And look in your spelling dictionary when you're not sure. Be careful of that breakable vase. If you're ready, don't unpause until you've checked it first. Okay, now you can check it with mine. Be careful of that breakable vase. Okay, let's erase. And we'll do 1 more sentence today. Spread the tablecloth on the picnic table. Spread the tablecloth on the picnic table. Okay, pause if you need more time. Okay, if you're here, that tells me that you are ready. Here we go. Spread, it was a short E, it's E-A. Table is consonant L-E. Cloth on the picnic table, another consonant L-E. So check it over and make any fixes that you need. Spread the tablecloth on the picnic table. And we are done for today. We are moving right along. We have 1 more week before we take a test. So make sure that if things are hard or there's things you need help with, that you let your teacher know. Great job.